Hey, Will the Trill here. Just replaced the belt of this Downblast exhaust fan at work, so it doesn't tell you what it is. But I just finished replacing the belt on this exhaust fan, so the inside switch is on, so all I got to do is flick this switch. Nice. So this is a size 4L290 belt. Dayton. Well, now that this is done, while I'm up here, might as well give you a tour of all the other exhaust fans in this building. So here's one of the exhaust fans. This is in the 1961 edition to the building. This one's fairly unique. I never seen one this big before. You can't see much. Sorry. Here's the other one. There's the one over there I just fixed. Now let me tell you, these are very serious Downblast exhaust fans, I'll tell you that. Only problem is these exhaust fans, these two specifically, haven't worked in years. Here's another one. A smaller one right here. Now over here, this is the original 1957 part of the building. I'm sorry, 1957, yeah. This is a newer Dayton Downblast. This is an original one, original to the building. Now these are newer exhaust fans, Dayton. That's an original. Yep, that's an original. Here's an original. Yeah, that's an original. Needs motor, 1987. Spins freely. Oh, sweet, the belt size. 4L280. Here's another original. That's an original. That's a newer one. one newer one. That's one original one. Here's a newer one. That's an original. Yeah, this takes a 4L 290. Wow, this one's seized. Sort of seized. No power. Here's the last ones. Those are editions of a science classroom. This is an original that's seen better days, obviously. Boy, it is seized. Well, almost. Yeah, this is rubbing against this. Yep, it's pretty seized. Yep, so that is all the exhaust fans in this building. Thank you for watching.